Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a description bio on TikTok. Make sure to watch the full video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go on TikTok on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now you can go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. Select Add a Bio. Now you can go ahead and type in anything of your choice. When you type in your bio, you can type in about 80 words. Tap on Save once you are done typing in your bio. Now you can see the bio that you have typed in on your TikTok profile. And that's it. This is how you add bio on your TikTok account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we upload a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.